How to improve video quality with better prompts in Sora AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to improve your video quality with Sora AI using the better prompts, here is how you do it. First of all, open a web browser and type in sora.openai.com and search. You'll then end up in the homepage of Sora AI. Make sure that you're logged in using your OpenAI account's credentials, and once you're logged into the Explore page, go to the prompt box at the bottom of the screen and write down a detailed prompt. Instead of just watching a cinematic sunset beach, we are going to write a better prompt, such as a cinematic sunset beach with golden light. Let's add some slow waves, some clouds. The key here is to just add details as much as you could. Let's just enter the prompt carefully. Try to be more descriptive. Add little small details, and after writing down the detailed prompt, you can also select if you want a video or an image at the bottom. Since we are trying to make a great video quality, we're just going to select video here and select the resolution, aspect ratio, duration of the video, variation, etc. using the tools at the bottom. And finally, click on this create video button with a small arrow icon in it. The more details you add, Sora will understand the scene better, so make sure to add details. And once you do that, your video will be generated by clicking on this button at the top right. You'll be able to see your video downloading or generating. You can also mention the camera angle or shot style. For example, you can use drone shots, close-up shots, add any kind of a camera style you'd like to use in the video. Once you are done creating the video, click open the video, and here is the result. You can also mention the look of the video by adding prompts such as cinematic, realistic, animated, or documentary style in the prompt box. You can also edit the prompt by clicking on edit prompt at the bottom and go ahead and add more details that you want to add. For example, I'm just gonna add some prompt over here, more detailed. And after you do that, go ahead and send the prompt once again and wait for a few seconds. Now your video will be generated once again. After it is completed, you can play it on. Now let's open up the new video, and as you can see that you have improved your video quality with better prompts. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.